Alright, this is Timmy. Timmy is our ramp climbing robot. Timmy's general structure is this surfboard-like wooden board with the big 3D printed wheel in the front and two caster wheels in the back. The advantage of this is that Timmy can self-steer because the center of gravity is very nicely lined up along the axis of the wheel, and so that if it tilts off axis for any reason as it's climbing up the ramp, it'll automatically slide back into position and go vertical, which is really cool. It's got a voltage regulator circuit so that the voltage regulator PCB so that the voltage from the 9 volts gets scaled down to 5 volts to drive the Pi and to drive the small motor, which is fixed in place by a very nice 3D printed bracket. And in terms of the code on the Pi, it's just running a very simple flash code connected to pin 16 so that over here in my browser, when I click on this link, it turns the wheel on. Then I click on another link, and the motor's off. On again, off again. Very nice. Timmy is going to climb the ramp. Timmy is doing a wonderful job. No, almost, yes, okay.
I don't think headlights though. Headlights? Yeah. I don't think I would though. Not for this place.
Here we go. This is Timmy version 2 testing the potentiometer. It is outputting potentiometer data on the Pi, and when you turn it, look at that. The numbers change. Oh my god.
So it's the KB2040 is reading the potentiometer value and then sending it over serial communication to the Pi.
Incredible. Look at that. So exciting.
Wait. What about the potentiometer? It's up to you. If you have time to keep trying to get video of it going up the ramp, that's better for you.
Just hold this for a second.
It'll still be pretty fine.
Go, 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 go! Yes! Yeah! Let's go!